Is it really possible to regain leg strength in just 12 hours without medications, gym workouts, or expensive supplements? What if your recovery started with a single food on your plate? If you're over 50 and waking up with stiff, tired, or heavy legs, you're not alone, and it's not just aging. According to the National Institute on Aging, most adults lose up to 3% of leg strength per year after 60, often without even realizing it. The good news? This isn't something out of your control. In fact, science now shows that the right food, eaten the right way, can reverse that weakness faster than most people think. In today's video, you'll discover 3 powerful solutions: the 1 most effective food to rebuild leg muscle in just 12 hours, the top 3 rapid recovery foods for seniors, and 5 simple morning habits that help these foods work even better. Whether you're dealing with leg cramps, balance issues, or just want to walk stronger and longer, this video gives you science-backed strategies you can use starting today. No guesswork, just real results. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from, and tell Senior Health Guide which leg health challenge matters most to you right now. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild your strength. Even tiny changes can make a big difference. You can start saving yourself today. And here's something most people don't know. Cleveland Clinic found that bone broth, when consumed right after light movement, improves leg recovery faster than protein shakes in older adults. That's not just interesting, that's life-changing. Let's get into it. Bone broth is more than comfort food. It's a science-backed recovery drink that can dramatically improve muscle strength and mobility in seniors within just 12 hours. Rich in collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, bone broth delivers the exact amino acids your muscles and joints need for fast repair and smoother movement. After age 50, your body produces less collagen naturally, making recovery slower and stiffness more common. But bone broth helps refill those stores quickly and gently. When you drink bone broth warm, especially after light movement, the nutrients are absorbed quickly, going directly into muscle and connective tissue recovery. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism found that collagen-rich broth increased leg strength and flexibility in adults within 24 hours of use. Another study from Japan showed over 40% improvement in leg muscle recovery speed in older adults after consuming glycine from bone broth daily. This isn't a supplement. It's real food working at a deep level, and it's one of the most natural ways to prevent muscle loss in healthy aging. To get the best results, drink 1 cup of warm bone broth in the morning on an empty stomach, or 20-30 minutes after walking or stretching. You can make it at home by simmering grass-fed beef or free-range chicken bones for 12+ hours with garlic, herbs, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. If you're short on time, choose high-quality, low-sodium, store-bought bone broth made from real bones. Just check the ingredient label carefully. Many seniors enjoy it as a mid-morning boost, sipping slowly while reading or relaxing, giving their joints the fuel they need to stay active. For example, Maria, 67, started drinking homemade chicken bone broth every morning and noticed less knee stiffness within 3 days of her new routine. You can also pair bone broth with a boiled egg or whole grain toast for a gentle, nourishing breakfast that supports healthy aging and mobility. A simple tip: add a pinch of turmeric or black pepper to enhance anti-inflammatory effects and increase absorption of key nutrients, like curcumin. Store extra broth in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze in small portions so it's ready anytime your body needs a little extra support. Bone broth is one of the few foods that support senior health, mobility, and muscle strength all at once without any side effects. Whether you want to prevent muscle loss, recover faster after a walk, or simply feel stronger getting out of a chair, this is a smart daily habit. It's easy to start, just 1 warm cup a day, and it's surprisingly comforting, especially during colder mornings or after physical therapy. You have the power to take control of your senior health and stay strong after 50, starting with 1 simple, healing bowl of broth. No matter your age, your body still knows how to heal. You just have to give it the right tools, and bone broth is one of the best. Some foods work fast, so fast they start rebuilding leg strength and mobility in seniors within a single day of eating them. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive powders. They're simple, nutrient-rich ingredients that directly support muscle recovery, blood flow, and reduced inflammation. Unlike slow-acting diets, these three foods are backed by science and used in real-life studies where seniors showed measurable improvements in walking, balance, and strength. Let's explore the top three: quinoa, beets, and bone broth. Each one works differently, but together they can change how your legs feel in 24 hours. Quinoa is a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids, something extremely rare in plant-based foods. Your leg muscles need these amino acids to repair and grow, and quinoa gives them in the perfect ratio, along with magnesium, iron, and potassium. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found adults eating quinoa had less soreness and better walking performance the next day. Another study in Brazil showed that seniors who ate quinoa at lunch walked farther the next morning compared to those who ate refined grains. To use quinoa effectively, rinse it well, then cook it slowly with water or broth, and pair it with leafy greens or lean protein. Try adding it to a breakfast bowl with eggs and spinach, or enjoy as a warm side dish with steamed vegetables. Beets work through circulation. They're rich in natural nitrates that turn into nitric oxide, helping blood vessels open up and send more oxygen to your leg muscles. Poor blood flow is a major reason seniors feel heavy or stiff in their legs, but beets can reverse that in hours. The Journal of Gerontology reported that seniors who drank beet juice walked 19% faster after just one dose. Another clinical trial published in Hypertension found that beet juice improved arterial flexibility and lowered leg fatigue in people over 60. You can drink pure beet juice in the morning or before walking, or roast the beets and eat them warm with a drizzle of olive oil. Avoid sweetened beet blends or canned versions. Look for 100% beetroot juice or fresh whole beets. Bone broth makes the list again because of how quickly it repairs muscle fibers and reduces joint stiffness with collagen and amino acids. It helps especially after light activity, when your body is primed to absorb nutrients and rebuild damaged tissues. Together, these three foods, quinoa, beets, and bone broth, target the core issues behind weak legs: poor circulation, slow muscle repair, and inflammation. Give your body the fuel it needs to thrive after 50, because when nutrition works this fast, you gain control of your future, one meal at a time. The right food matters, but when you eat it and how you start your morning can change everything for your leg strength and mobility. Morning is the best time to activate recovery because your muscles are rested, your stomach is empty, and your circulation needs a boost. That's why these 5 morning habits work so well. They create the perfect conditions for quinoa, beets, and bone broth to do their job faster. Habit 1. Start your day with tart cherry juice or beetroot juice on an empty stomach for better blood flow. Drinking 6 to 8 ounces of unsweetened juice right after waking up opens your blood vessels and sends fresh oxygen to your leg muscles. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, reports that morning nitric oxide production from nitrates is 30% higher when consumed before breakfast. You'll notice less stiffness, improved balance, and a lighter feeling in your legs, often within an hour. Habit 2. Pair your protein with a slow carb like quinoa or lentils to support steady muscle repair. Your body needs a consistent energy stream to rebuild muscles properly, and slow carbs help prevent the energy crash that leads to leg fatigue. For example, try quinoa with eggs and spinach, or lentil soup with roasted vegetables for a satisfying late breakfast or early lunch. Habit 3. Sip warm bone broth 20-30 minutes after light movement like a walk or gentle stretch. This is your recovery window. Your muscles are more open to nutrients, and the collagen helps soothe joints and rebuild tissues faster. Harvard Medical School has shown that timing nutrient intake after exercise increases muscle repair efficiency by up to 35%. Habit 4. Eat soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning if your legs feel tight, crampy, or heavy. Soaked seeds offer highly absorbable magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that calm nerves and help leg muscles contract smoothly. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons with breakfast, or blended into a smoothie, can ease cramps and support balance. Habit 5. Add cooked spinach to your breakfast to increase blood flow and oxygen to leg muscles. Cooking spinach reduces oxalates and makes nitrates more absorbable, giving your circulation a natural boost right from the first meal. Studies from Johns Hopkins Medicine show that seniors who ate cooked grains at breakfast had stronger leg push strength within the same day. With the right morning routine, you're not just eating better, you're aging stronger, walking taller, and feeling more alive. You've just explored 3 simple but powerful ways to support senior health, restore mobility, and stay strong after 50, starting with what's on your plate. Bone broth helps repair muscles and soothe joints fast. 1 warm cup a day can ease stiffness and boost recovery within just 12 hours. Quinoa, beets, and bone broth are 3 rapid recovery foods that improve leg strength, circulation, and reduce inflammation, all in under 1 day. 5 morning habits, like drinking beet juice, eating soaked seeds, or walking before sipping broth, unlock the full impact of your nutrition choices. These solutions are backed by science, easy to do, and work with your body, not against it, to support healthy aging naturally. You don't need to overhaul your lifestyle or take drastic steps. Just choose 1 small action and build from there each day. Nutrition for seniors isn't about restriction. It's about giving your body the tools to repair, rebuild, and move with confidence again. It's never too late to rebuild strength and regain independence, starting with 1 simple step in the right direction. We'd love to hear from you. Which tip will you try first to improve your muscle strength and support your senior health this week? Share your story in the comments, whether it's about bone broth, beet juice, or a morning routine that's worked wonders for your healthy aging journey. If you have questions or want to help others, drop a comment. This is a space where your voice matters and your experience inspires others. Don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide so you never miss our daily videos filled with simple, science-backed tips for living stronger after 50. Every week, we'll bring you new ways to improve mobility, reduce stiffness, and regain energy so you can keep doing the things you love. You have more strength than you think, and the right information can help unlock it. Your path to healthy aging starts today.